Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain how to create legacy titles in Premiere Pro. Let's begin! Let's start! For now, we will explain the basic usage of legacy titles. First, move the playhead to the position where you want to insert the title. Let's create the title clip. Select File, New, Legacy Title from the menu on the upper left. A window like this will be displayed. After entering the name, click the OK button. The legacy title starts like this. Let's create a title. This time, I will only explain the basics. Select the Type tool. Select Title Styles to allow you to choose the text design. Choose what you like. Click here to start typing. I typed in the letters. You can move the position of the character by clicking the Selection tool. Let's move the position of the character by dragging and dropping. I tried moving the letters to the bottom right. Now that the title is complete, click the X button in the upper right to close the window. Saving will be done automatically. A title has been added to the project panel. Please note that it is not yet displayed on the timeline panel. Drag and drop the title from the project panel to the timeline panel. You have successfully created a legacy title. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.